Yung pagpili ng course sa college is one of the most important decisions that we can make in our life. Pero what if hindi ka pa sure kung ano nga bang course yung kukunin mo? Hi guys, it's Carol and welcome to another episode of the College Courses Explained series. For today's episode, we will talk about Bachelor of Science in Internal Auditing or BSIA. So if you are someone who enjoys analyzing information, checking details, solving problems, and helping organizations improve their operations, this course might be for you. So ano nga ba ang BSIA? It is a degree program that prepares students to evaluate and improve an organization's governance, risk management, and internal control processes through internal auditing. So it combines accounting, auditing, business management, information systems, and risk management to help organizations achieve their objectives. In simple terms, internal auditing students learn how to evaluate an organization's operations, financial processes, internal controls, risk management, and compliance to identify risk and recommend improvements that will help the organization become more efficient and more effective. Now, ano-ano nga ba ang mga subjects under BSIA? Usually, merong mga subjects such as financial accounting and reporting, auditing and assurance principles, internal auditing, risk management, business laws and regulations, corporate governance, management advisory services, fraud examination, taxation, operational auditing, and business ethics. Now, what skills will you develop in BSIA? You will develop analytical skills, critical thinking, attention to detail, problem-solving abilities, risk assessment skills, and the ability to evaluate business processes and internal controls. Because of this, being observant, organized, ethical, and detail-oriented is very important in this field. Now, let's talk about career opportunities. As a BSIA graduate, you can work as an internal auditor, an audit associate, a risk management analyst, a compliance officer, an internal controls analyst, a fraud analyst, a business process analyst, a financial analyst, an IT auditor, or a controls analyst. You can work in corporate companies, accounting and auditing firms, banks and financial institutions, government agencies, insurance companies, manufacturing companies, business consulting firms, multinational corporations, and BPO companies. Now, when it comes to salary naman, it will depend on the company, its location, your position, and your level of experience, but generally, fresh graduates may earn around 22,000 to 35,000 per month. For mid-level professionals such as internal auditors or risk analysts, they may earn around 40,000 to 80,000 per month. And for more experienced professionals in senior roles, salaries can exceed 80,000 to 180,000 or more per month, especially in multinational companies. Now, sino ba ang bagay sa BSIA? This course might be a good fit for you if you are detail-oriented and organized, you are good at analyzing information and identifying problems, you are interested in accounting, auditing, and business operations, you are ethical and you are responsible when handling sensitive information, you are comfortable working with reports, records, and financial data, and you are interested in evaluating processes and helping organizations improve. So if you see yourself helping organizations improve their systems, manage risk, strengthen internal controls, and ensure compliance, BSIA might be the right course for you. So that is Bachelor of Science in Internal Auditing, explained in simple terms. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments what course you want me to cover next. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you follow me for more episodes of College Courses Explained.